Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we are going to discuss about the working principle of two-stroke diesel or CI engine, that is compression ignition engine. In my previous video we have discussed about two-stroke petrol or SI engine, that is spark ignition engine. If you have understood two-stroke SI engine, it will be very easy to understand two-stroke CI engine. There are many similarities between the two-stroke SI and CI engine in its construction as well as in its working principle. The differences which they are having, that we are going to discuss in this video. So let us begin. First let us understand the difference between two-stroke SI and CI engine. This figure shows two-stroke SI engine and two-stroke CI engine. If we look at the construction of two-stroke CI engine, it is similar to the two-stroke SI engine. The main difference is that the carburetor and the spark plug which is used in SI engine is replaced by fuel pump and fuel injector in case of CI engine. Then if we look at the working of two-stroke CI engine, it is similar to two-stroke SI engine, except that in CI engine, through the inlet port only air is coming into the crankcase, and at the end of the compression air is sprayed into the compressed air, and this compressed air attain a temperature higher than the self-ignition temperature of the diesel. So as the fuel is sprayed, it gets ignited. Here we don't require any additional source for the combustion of the fuel. Whereas in case of CI engine, through the inlet port, air fuel mixture is coming into the crankcase, and this air fuel mixture is compressed, and for the combustion of this mixture we require the additional source, that is spark plug, which produces the spark and the combustion of the fuel takes place. So these are some of the basic difference between CI engine and the SI engine, two-stroke CI engine and the two-stroke SI engine. So let us study about the CI engine in more detail. Coming to the construction of two-stroke CI engine or the diesel engine. This is the cylinder provided with cylinder head, and on the cylinder head fuel injector is placed. On one side of the cylinder you can see the inlet port and the exhaust port, while on the other side of the cylinder you can see the transfer port. Below the cylinder there is a crankcase, inside which you will find crankshaft and the crank. Now this crank is connected to the piston with the help of the connecting rod. So construction wise, if you see, it is similar to the SI engine. The difference was that the spark plug is been replaced by the fuel injector. Now let us understand the working principle of two-stroke diesel or CI engine. To understand this, we will refer both the figures so that it will be clear for understanding the principle of working. Now similar to the two-stroke SI engine, there are 4 operations to be carried out in two-stroke of the piston or in 1 revolution of the crank. At the beginning of the first stroke, the piston is at TDC, that is top dead center, as shown in the figure, and you can see that in this position of the piston the inlet port is open and air gets into the crankcase. During the downward motion of the piston, you can see in this figure the piston is moving downward, and during this downward motion of the piston the transfer port gets uncovered and the fresh air which was present in the crankcase gets transferred to this combustion chamber through the transfer port. As the piston reaches the bottom dead center, the combustion chamber gets filled completely with the air. Now the piston starts moving in the upward direction, that is from bottom dead center to top dead center, and during this stroke the transfer ports gets closed. You can see in this figure, when the piston is moving upward, the transfer ports gets closed, and the air which has been filled in the combustion chamber, it gets compressed, and the temperature and pressure of the air increases, and it attains a temperature higher than the self-ignition temperature of the diesel. And when it achieves 80% of compression, the fuel is sprayed through the fuel injector into the compressed air. As soon as it is sprayed, it gets ignited due to the self temperature of the compressed air. Thus the combustion takes place, and the combust products pushes the piston down, and the power stroke is achieved, which is required for the running of the engine. During the power stroke, when the piston is moving from TDC to BDC, you can see here the exhaust port gets uncovered, and the residual gases is given out to the atmosphere. Now during the downward motion of the piston, you can also see that a stage comes when, along with the exhaust port, the transfer port gets uncovered, which makes the fresh air to get into the cylinder or the combustion chamber. This fresh air helps in the removal of the remaining residual gases from the combustion chamber to the atmosphere. And this process of removing the residual gases from the combustion chamber is called scavenging. When the piston reaches the bottom dead center, the residual gases are flushed out completely, and the combustion chamber is filled with fresh air and gets ready for the next cycle, and the cycle repeats. With this, we can conclude that in two-stroke engines, the four processes, that is suction, compression, power and the exhaust, are carried out in two strokes of the piston or in one revolution of the crankshaft. Remember, in half the revolution of the crank, that is in one stroke is completed, and in one stroke two processes are carried out. Remember, during the downward stroke, here in the downward stroke, power and exhaust is carried out, and during the upward stroke, compression and the intake is carried out. So in the two-stroke engine, the difference was that through the inlet only air is coming in, and at the end of the compression stroke, fuel is been injected, and due to the high pressure of the compressed air, that itself was sufficient to ignite the fuel. So this is the working principle of two-stroke diesel or the CI engine. So hope you have understood, and remember that in the one stroke of the piston, two processes are carried out. When the piston moving down, that is the power stroke and the exhaust stroke, and when the piston is moving upward, the compression and the suction. So hope you have understood this, the working principle of two-stroke diesel or the CI engine, compression ignition engine. Here in this engine, the fuel which we are using is diesel, so we call it as two-stroke diesel engine, and the ignition takes place during the compression, so we also call it as compression ignition engine. Whereas in petrol engine, the fuel which we were using was the petrol, and the ignition was taking place with the help of the spark plug, so we call it as SI engine. So I hope you might have understood why we call it as SI engine and CI engine. SI engine because the ignition is taking place because of the spark plug, so we gave the name SI engine, spark ignition, and CI engine, the ignition is taking place during the compression, so we call it as compression ignition engine. Hope all the concepts of two-stroke engine has been cleared with this video. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye for now.